acting out, make it seem. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the family, the channel, and the crew. I'm about to sit here and eat my crawfish. Mr. Abrams, I thought he was gonna join me in my little mukbang, but he ain't. He over there watching us. Say hi. He over there. He ate already, so he watching our video. Mama said she ain't want none, and Riante in her room, Alisha in her room. Philip said he'll eat some. He playing his game right now, so it's just me. Just me. I'm all on my own as usual. I ain't messing with him. Cause he told my baby, I eat some with you. I eat some with you. But he way over there. And I just got me a Coke. We went to Cajun's. Well, Jordan went to Cajun's earlier. Got him some food. If y'all seen it on Snap. If y'all follow us on Snap, y'all seen it. And he had got him some food. And I gotta put this on my hand. Because I cut my finger. And it's a burn mess on my finger. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, I do suck the heads on my crawfish, but I do not suck them unless I have potatoes and, corn. And I didn't get any. But if I usually have potatoes and corn, I get them. But what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to save all my heads. I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag because I will be making me a broth with it. Because one day this week before he leaves, I don't know why he's looking at me like that. One day before he leaves, I'm making a jambalaya and some different stuff, and I want the broth from it. So I'm saving all my crawfish for these. So hopefully they don't throw them out. But they look good. But I know a lot of people say they don't know how to break them or eat them. So I'm gonna show y'all how to break them. I eat them. It's real simple, real easy. You literally, they say you literally pinch the tail, you suck the head, that's what you do. You pinch the tail, you suck the head. So, you literally just grab the tail and you twist it. You squeeze and twist it. All the juice come out, and like I said, Jordan probably might suck some of the juices out. But like I said, even with that, I'm still going to keep the rest of this because it's a lot of little.
Hey, wait for the good stuff.
I'm just showing them it's a whole lot of juice in here. So you got a lot of flavor, a lot of broth in here. And then you just take your tail, just like you would do a lobster tail. It's no different. Yep. And it's just like a lobster tail. You just take it and you just take it and peel it back. Just that simple. And then once you peel it back, you just pinch the tail and you pull it off. You pull a little string off and it's deveined. And then you just eat it. It's really that simple. Yeah, he just sucked that head and y'all see what happened. It was spicy, huh? And the crawfish itself is not hot. But all the seasoning and stuff in it. And that's all I do. And we tell these babies, look. And you don't have to. You can leave like this part on. Some people be disgusted like about the vein part or whatever. I don't. I'll eat the whole thing. Like it really does not bother me. I'll just take it off and just eat it off. I know a lot of people say bad stuff about crawfish, but if you don't like them, then they not for you. It's fine. It's cool. Well, I heard be like that's why they call them mug bugs, because they nasty and this and that. But baby, look, everything that comes from the water eat on something. Okay. Everything that's in that water eating on something. Right. You eat chicken and your chicken eating on something.
You eat shark meat.
Right.
Shark eat everything. You eat gator.
Yep.
Gator eat humans, deer,
right. Gators eat everybody. And I eat gators. Gators eat you up. I'll eat gator. I'll eat any kind of, well, I ain't gonna say any kind of meat, but I love crawfish. I love seafood. And you people eat crawfish. You know, you put crawfish in your gumbo. You eat crawfish etouffee. You eat crawfish in a lot of dishes. And I think people just look at the fact that they gotta clean it, but it's not bad. It's not too bad. Like I said, if I had me some corn, why you over here? Why you over here? Why? Sit over here. Just sit over here by me. That's the whole point of it being a mukbang. I don't care what you want. You finna put some on here. You can eat. But yeah. As soon as I'm done eating.
She gonna mukbang.
But like I said, the only reason I got this on my hand because I got cut. And these babies were hurt. This one here. Yeah, we had some yesterday. Baby, at least you want some crawfish? Lisa, you want some crawfish? Oh, that's right. You don't eat crawfish. Yeah, my little niece here.
Why you putting them in there?
I'm just putting some in so we can eat them. Huh? Well, I'm gonna eat some crawfish. Well, you can eat some. Well, I don't. I forgot to go it. So what you want to talk about? You can't just eat. This not. This not gonna be no quiet about that. What you want to eat?
But I'm gonna eat this crawfish.
What you want to talk about? Did you enjoy your food from Caden?
Oh yeah, it was okay. It was good. I don't want to talk about relationships. I'm not a relationship expertise. No.
I ain't asked you what you don't want to talk about. I asked you what you want to talk about.
I'm saying what I don't talk about.
Well, no, we don't do no relationship topics. Yeah, we ain't no experts.
I can give you no advice. I'm there to tell you.
Hopefully y'all can hear you.
This is how you know she's crazy.
Ooh. You don't want my head. I've been sucking on it.
They're gonna be in the water.
I've been sucking on it.
But they're gonna be in the water.
I might got corona.
Well, we all got it. We all got it by now. And I do eat them. Eat on the claws too. I used to do them last. I used to come back and do them. The big ones I try to get.
Spicy.
I just do not like crawfish. I tell you, crawfish really do get a bad name though, baby. But that's just like crab. They do too. They good. Man, really, these things are not spicy.
You ain't sucking the head. That's why the spice is.
I mean, they're good.
Caca.
Pull it out. What you mean? You better pull that out of there. Yeah, pull that out. And please, y'all, like just like you do with your crab, take these little claws off and eat it. It's meat and juice in these
Oh
claws.
yeah, that's the best part. Go for it.
But people be leaving it in here.
I want all my meat. I paid for it. Give me all my meat.
All of it.
Woo.
Have I bought my own before? Yes, I have. Me and my brother have. Because some of them, the claws already be broke off. You okay over there? Better have regular water and not cold water out the refrigerator.
Oh, I like when you get that nutty sweet taste. Mm. And all that stuff come out. Mm. What some questions have the people been asking for us?
Are you ready to move here?
No.
You ain't ready to move here? Do you like cooking? All that stuff, stuff that they normally ask you. But they ask me, I answer all the time. You already know me. What's your favorite meal to cook?
My favorite meal to cook. Oh, I don't have no specific meal. I'm just a lover of food, so I can't really say a specific meal. But I love outdoor, so I would say grilling and cooking outside. As far as inside, I don't know. Hard to say. I'm more of a soul food guy. But I love Cajun food, Creole food. So it's really hard to say. I love Caribbean food, Caribbean, however you want to say it. I love Jamaican food. I just love food. You tell? What about, you have some questions about how we met and all that stuff?
Mm-hmm. Yep, they asked how we met.
Oh.
Ooh, that one was hot though.
No, it ain't hot.
No, that one was. She asked if you wanted her to make them hot for you.
Mm-mm. You're trying to kill me. How we met? Ooh, I've been watching her for, say like 3+ years, something like that. And I would never comment on her videos. Because at the time, I had someone, let's be honest. And I'm a faithful guy. So I didn't say anything. Oh, my nose running bad.
Some tissues. And laugh.
But once that relationship went south, I kind of took some time to, put my mind, get myself together, put my thoughts, work on myself. And one day she was making a video doing sweet potato pies. And then you boil.
I bought them that day.
She boiled the sweet potatoes, and I was like, hey, if you roast them in the oven, you get more of the natural sweetness. And she come in it back. And guys, when I tell you, whew, I almost had a heart attack. I seen she come in it back. Because she was my crush.
But what was my response to you, though?
You was like, yeah, sometimes I do it, but I just want to get it out the way because I ain't have much time. And I was like, cool. So, that was my very first time actually coming on the channel. Then, the very first video that I actually discovered her from was the pecan candy video. If I say pecan, she gonna slap me. So pecan.
Pecan.
Pecan. She get aggressive when I say pecan.
When you in Mississippi, you gotta say pecan. Bump that. And bump pecan.
But yeah, that's how I discovered her in the very first video. And one day I just hit her up and I was like, hey, I wanna do something for Philip. And I did something for him and we kinda started talking, You got a little flirtatious
No, we ain't start
with
talking
her.
like that. Not like that. That's not how we
Yeah,
start
I know,
talking.
but that's too much to go through.
No,
The way you
I didn't
tell
know
the
who you was. No.
Okay.
No, I didn't know who you was.
She didn't know who I was. She thought I was a chick. She just called me, hey sis. And I finally told her, I'm not a girl, I'm a dude. And she's like, I'm so sorry. I'm like, no, it's funny. So when me and her kind of started talking, she continued to hey sis, and it was kind of like an inside joke between me and her. You know, that we only knew that I wasn't sis. So, like I said, we kind of started talking from there. And kind of started flirting and, you know, so on, so on. My doing. If anyone know her, you know, she's real nice. She's one of the sweetest people you ever meet. So that's a good thing. But that's how we started talking. But when I first seen her, I was like, that's gonna be my wife. I claimed her the first time I seen her. Even though I had somebody else, but I claimed her.
I was engaged at that time.
Yeah.
It was a month before I canceled my engagement. Yes, sir. And we actually courted. We went through the whole courtship and all of that. We didn't do the jump right into the dating.
Oh, me?
We found out everything about each other. Everything but our social security numbers.
Oh, you want that? I get it to you.
I don't want that. I'm good. But I'm just saying, you know.
Like hot. My lips running. My nose running.
You know, we went through a whole courting.
Oh.
And we was being ourselves.
Oh.
We wasn't trying to put on or do any of that. I gotta do what I gotta do to get him or keep him or get her and keep her. It wasn't none of that. Like we was ourselves 100%. Like what you get, what you see is what you get.
No. She crazy, y'all. I got tricked.
Nah, he knew. He knew that. Don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. We definitely match each other. I can guarantee that. Like mama say, he needs somebody to settle him to keep him calm.
Why you keep putting trash in here?
You putting it on my side.
I don't care. Get your way. No trash.
I'm getting off my side. Do we have disagreements about stuff? Yes, because he gets on my nerve. I get on his nerve. But our disagreements are not arguments and fights and nothing. It's more like, you make me so sick.
We disagree to agree. Or we disagree to get clarity. How about that?
Right. And then I'll be like, ooh, Lord have mercy. Thank you, Jesus. And I walk off. And he'll be like, thank you, Jesus. Hold my mouth.
I think we both get quiet so we don't argue. We both just get quiet when we're ready to talk, we talk.
And then about 5 minutes later, and this is only when he's here. Because when he's not here, it don't happen.
My lips are off.
And I think that's the weirdest thing to me. Like, when he's not here, we don't even have any disagreements when you're not here. It's like we good, but when he get here, it's like, and I think because we're both so much alike.
I'm stubborn. I'm a bull.
And
I ain't even know why.
he's very stubborn.
I'm a bull. I'm bullheaded.
Very. But because I can match that, and I don't give in. I don't want to say give in, but I don't know. I don't know if he's used to having his way or what. I think that's what it is. He's so used to having his way.
Yeah. I'm a spoiled brat.
And I'm one of them people. I'm not gonna hurt you, but I'm not gonna give in to you and let you just have your way. And you think that's how it's gonna always be. So I'm one of them that's like, we're gonna compromise about everything, no matter what it is. I don't want to get my way. It's not about getting our way. It's about coming to civil and adult agreement. But y'all, he push your buttons. He's perfect at pushing buttons because he wants a reaction. I don't know if y'all husband or wife do that, but if everything is too quiet and too calm, he's gonna do or say something to get a reaction from you. Yeah. Like today we was coming home and all I told Marie, well I asked Marie, I said, Marie, can you pull up the number to Blasian Cajun? Because we was gonna see if they had crawfish because Claiborne and Rouse's was sold out from yesterday. And he was like, you ain't doing that, why you can't do it? Man, baby. What I would have normally said, I didn't. I didn't say it. I was like, oh, thank you, Lord. I said, let me not say nothing. And he was like, I'm just playing. And then you know how people tell you to calm down, but you're not upset, so that makes you mad because they say calm down? And I was like, look, I'm not even excited or aggravated to calm down. I said, me and Round say, do this. I'll say, Riri, can you pull up a number just like she'll ask me? I said, and I know you don't know this because you don't be here, but this our thing. And he was like, okay.
Why would you get him towel?
I got to wear what he was so on. And he was like, okay. Opening up them sinuses. So yeah, so it was fun, but he does that a lot. And he knows it. Well, whatever. And I think sometimes he think it's too good to be true. Because he think that something, I don't know. Like, he think another side of me is going to pop out. Because you know how people be like, it's too good to be true. You can't be that sweet or you can't be that nice. And I'm like, babe, ask people who deal with me. Y'all know, I told y'all, I'm still cool with my exes. My kid's dad. How many people can just say that like that? When y'all have a civil relationship to where y'all cool. Even my ex. I just don't have enemies. I don't have people that I hate. I'm not a mean-spirited person, but you're not gonna play me. And when I'm done with you, I'm done with you. When you dead to me, you dead to me. And it take a lot for me to get there. It take a whole lot for me to get there. You can't take it. Drink some more.
That don't help.
I can't even drink nothing yet.
Water don't help.
So yeah, that's it. Any plans on marriage and stuff like that? Yes, we are getting married. No, we're not engaged yet. But yes, it will be coming. I didn't want no Valentine's engagement. Just me. I don't believe in holiday engagements because I don't like holidays. I'm not a holiday person. I never have liked holidays ever since I was young. I love being with my family and stuff, but I don't like holidays like that. So I didn't want no holiday engagement. I want something that's authentic and different. I told him, babe, I don't want nothing like anybody else had. I'm a very private person. Even though I got a YouTube, I'm still a very private person. So we still keep a lot of our relationship with us off of YouTube and away from social media. We'll post on Snap. Usually just when you come here, huh? Every now and then I post something on Snap, but I don't post a lot of what we're doing. Like, it'll be bits and pieces. Even when he's not here. Y'all know I only post certain things. Because like I said, I'm very private about my life. And that sounds weird, but I am.
Trying to get the cock out.
What's something else I would get? Oh, did I always date big guys? No. I like big guys. I've always liked big guys. I've always loved big guys. I just never dated them. But because the bigger guys around here, they never wanted to talk to me because they always said that they thought that I was not going to like a big guy. because of my kid's dad. But that's not the case. I don't care if it's big, small, or whatever. But I have a preference, and my preference is bigger guys. What? Oh, it just clicked back on. Because I like to eat. And sometimes small guys don't want to eat. What's wrong with you? You said, oh God, where? So yeah. What blue box? What's the name of the box? I haven't seen a blue box. What did you have it last? Yeah, that one crawfish. I just put it on. Oh, what else? I seen a box in the living room yesterday, unless that was your mom's.
No, it's like a little blue box. It's really tiny. It had my name.
How can you lose a box?
I don't remember.
Well, that means it's somewhere then.
You know what made me think about it? Because I'm sitting out like this.
You better look for it, honey. I ain't seen it. Anything else? Anything else?
I mean, I don't know. What they want to know something?
Got it.
I was trying to think what else we could tell y'all that y'all might want to know. And we ain't go live because, you know, Mama looking at TV and stuff. And I need to have the choice if I have to play music because you're watching the news.
Man, that's small. No, it ain't hot.
That piece of meat was hot. Will we ever live anywhere else other than Mississippi or Georgia?
Yep. Lord's will, not my will.
How do my kids feel about him?
They don't like me.
No, my kids all love him.
They don't like me, they love me.
Yeah, all of them. All of them do. They all have a really good relationship with each other. Really good.
Oh my God.
He done tapped out.
No, it's about my burger. You done ate them all.
You gonna call me out like that, homie? I ain't eat them all.
This my pal,
That's not
her pal, plus
That's
this.
not right. I want some crawfish. I've been waiting a couple of months to get some
You
crawfish.
ate up the crawfish I bought yesterday.
I didn't eat all them crawfish by myself. You and Alisha ate some too. I didn't eat all them up. I made sure I didn't eat them all.
I ate a handful.
Well, I made sure I ain't eat them all. I love crawfish.
Them things, they was good, but these right here sweet and hot.
Cause see, like Mama love her some blue crabs. Y'all know that, and I got her some. Yeah, we got her some yesterday. And I didn't see none today out because I would have picked us something up today, but I didn't. And we went to a different Claiborne Hills. We went to the one in the Gulfport, Biloxi area. Yeah, we went to Rock. Yeah, I want to see that because I did go out a little bit, not a lot though.
You said Claiborne.
I mean Ross's. Because we were looking for some, but like I said, I ain't had none. And we haven't tried that king cake yet because a few of you guys had asked, but I'm gonna try it. And then we also gonna do a taste test. I want to know what they gonna think about it though.
On what?
Them drinks that we got, that taste test. Man, that's that weather that stuff messing up. Weather bad here like everybody else. It will. It's gonna freeze tonight. I'm trying to think what else y'all may want to know. Like I said, that ain't nothing personal.
Yeah. When is video going up?
I don't know, probably tomorrow.
Put your questions in the comment section and we will answer them on the video. anything you want to know about me, her, which I'm sure you mostly know. If y'all have any questions or advice or anything, put it in the comment section below. We'll try our best to answer it on the next video.
And we just was impromptu with this, so I didn't even know we were going. Yeah. And like I said, we just kind of who we are. Like, you see what you see is what you get. We goofy. We real goofy with each other, and that's something that I think compliments us well. We like to have fun and we goofy.
I like the big boys.
Oh, they gonna get bigger than that. This is after the season just started. They be having fat.
I think I like big crawfish better than I like roses.
Yeah.
Because this got like a spicy taste, but also sweet at the same time.
And sometimes it's a hit and miss when you go, and it don't be the people all the time. Sometimes it just be a crawfish. You can never tell, just like anything else you get. You can't always tell it, but
You crawfish is bomb. You want to put all this in there?
the heads.
I done sucked them.
And then like
You still want
I guess. And then like crawdaddies. Crawdaddies got some good crawfish, but they over the years they've been kind of slipping. I don't know if they owned by different people or what, but they don't taste like they used to, but they still good. And they always be having them. They shrimp and stuff, you can go by dinners. Then they got that new place that me, Riri, and Mama went to. I wanted to go there with Jordan.
I want to go to that Greek place you went to the other day. We got the gyro.
I like it. And you can tell if a crawfish is not good. Like if it's too small or about a certain color. Or when you pick it. Because sometimes you just don't get one that's not good. Sometimes you gotta taste it.
Oh, I pulled the whole body apart and eat the little brain and all that stuff. All this spice and this stuff, I don't think I got time for it today.
Now sometimes these crawfish be hot. I'm talking about extra kicked up hot.
You know, some people like the little velvety stuff that be in there. The mush. I can't feel my lips.
That juice will get you, baby.
You gonna eat some more?
Huh?
You gonna get some more?
I don't know. I might let Alisha finish them. I can. Well, not necessarily finish them, but eat some.
You gonna try one of the drinks now?
Yeah. Can you put them in there for me? Them heads right there. So, I wash my hands.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our mukbang. And like I said, if you have anything you would like to know about us or the crew, please let us know in the comment section below. Put your questions in, and on the next video we will answer all your questions. Y'all have a blessed day. And like my baby always say, always remember to stay in your joy, because they didn't give it to you, so they can't take it away. Y'all have a blessed day, blessed night, whenever this video comes out. And we'll see y'all the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't to the channel. And we out.